Hey guys, Rascal here, and on the bench today is Project Shop Truck. Alright, doing a few updates on the upgrades so far. I do have some metal drive shafts, I haven't put them on yet, but here we have a 7mm thick hex drive. Reason for the 7mm thick ones is because this here's the little factory number. And it is probably about 4mm, I think. Yeah, I know it's smaller than the typical 5 mils because those wheels will not fit on them. So grab this and put it back on before we lose anything. But that's that. Another thing I learned today: the rear axles. Yeah, that's a brand new rear axle. Here's the old. This output axle, axle shaft, whatever. In here, it's some pins I'll take that back off. Some pins like that with rubber grommets on them inside the axles, probably about right in there, that keep the shaft from sliding out. Well, somehow that little rubber grommet got loose on that pin and slid in, allowing the shaft to pull outward. I was worried at first because I thought I broke the axle shaft, so that's why I ordered the whole new axle. These trucks are so cheap. On Banggood, you can get that axle for $10 plus shipping. So, but yeah, and like Darkside said in my last video, in the comment section of the last video, these do have either steel, brass, or zinc bushings throughout, but thankfully they do come well oiled from the factory, so well greased from the factory, so they may wear out, but Project Shop Truck, it's going to be fix it as it goes. Upgrade what needs, like when we get where we can. Metal frame rails will be ordered because I'm sorry, I don't like frame twist. Not a fan of frame twist. And yeah, I just stuck some old tires and wheels on here for right now, but just letting y'all know the updates on this thing. Rascal out.